This relaxation process will completely relax your body and mind. Let us start the process. Before the process starts, we need to follow the 7 rules in Shavasana. So, first, lie on your back in Shavasana, the corpse pose, legs apart, toes falling out, hands away from your body, palms facing up to the ceiling, nose pointing up to the ceiling, eyes closed, body remains still. Now, the process begins. Allow your attention to move through your head and face, including the top of the head, forehead, eyebrows, eyes, cheekbones, and nostrils. Be aware of the breath at the nostrils. Observe the inflow of the breath and outflow of the breath. Keep observing the natural flow of the breath at the nostrils. Observe lips, jaws, and chin. Observe the neck and throat, shoulders, arms, elbows, wrists, hands, fingers, and fingertips. Feel as if you're inhaling from the tips of the fingers up to the shoulders and then exhaling back to the fingertips. Inhaling from the tips of the fingers up to the shoulders and exhaling back to the fingertips. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhaling from the tips of the fingers up to the shoulders and then exhaling back to the fingertips. Then move your attention from the fingers back through the hands, wrists, lower arms, upper arms, shoulders, upper back, and chest. Concentrate at the center of the chest. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Be aware of the stomach, abdomen, lower back, hips, thighs, knees, calves, ankles, feet, and toes. Exhale as if your whole body is exhaling, and inhale as if your whole body is inhaling. As you exhale, let go all the tensions, worries, and anxieties. Inhale as if you're inhaling the new energy, and and exhale all the tensions, worries, and anxieties. Inhale the new energy. Exhale all your tensions. Inhale the new energy. Exhale all your worries. Inhale the new energy. Exhale all your anxieties. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now, move your attention from the toes to the feet, ankles, calves, thighs, knees, hips, lower back, abdomen, stomach, and chest. Concentrate at the center of the chest. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Upper back, shoulders, upper arms, lower arms, wrist, hands, fingers, and fingertips. Feel as if you're inhaling from the tips of the fingers up to the shoulders and then exhaling back to the fingertips. Inhaling from the tips of the fingers up to the shoulders and then exhaling back to the fingertips. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhaling from the tips of the fingers up to the shoulders. Exhaling back to the fingertips. Move your attention from the fingers back through the hands, wrists, lower arms, upper arms, shoulders, neck, throat, chin, jaws, mouth, and nostrils. Become aware of the breath at the nostrils. Observe the inflow of the breath and outflow of the breath. Keep observing the natural flow of the breath at the nostrils. Move your attention to the cheekbones, eyes, eyebrows, forehead, and the top of the head. Observe the smooth, slow, serene flow of the breath. Make a gentle, conscious effort to guide the breath so that it is smooth, calm, deep, and without any noise or jerkiness. You are now completely relaxed, physically and mentally. Slowly move your fingers and toes. After 10 seconds, slowly turn to the right side. After 10 seconds, slowly sit up, keeping your eyes closed. Relax your breath. Join your palms. With this peaceful state of mind, let us pray for the entire planet. Inhale. Om Loka Samastha Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samastha Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samastha Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly and gradually open your eyes whenever you wish to open, with a beautiful smile on your face. Have a great day. Namaste.